Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a product that promises to transform your under-eye area. If you struggle with dark circles, puffiness, or fine lines, you're in the right place. We're reviewing the NAZANO 24K Gold Under Eye Patches. With 60 pieces packed with powerful ingredients, these patches are designed to rejuvenate your skin and give you that refreshed look. Let's explore how they work and what makes them a must-have in your skincare routine. The NAZANO Under Eye Patches are a game-changer for anyone looking to combat puffy eyes and dark circles. Infused with castor oil, these patches target skin aging effectively. They work quickly to smooth out wrinkles and fine lines, making them an excellent choice for those who want to look youthful. The combination of ingredients helps rejuvenate collagen and skin cells, ensuring your under-eye area looks vibrant and fresh. One of the standout features of these patches is their hydrating properties. With hyaluronic acid and castor oil, they provide deep moisture to the skin. Users often notice a refreshing effect right from the first application. This hydration is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance, as it helps plump the skin and reduce the visibility of fine lines. Safety is a priority with the NAZANO formula. These patches are crafted with a blend of collagen, 24K gold, and glycerin, ensuring they penetrate deeply without causing irritation. They are suitable for all skin types, making them a versatile option for both men and women. You can feel confident using them, knowing they are free from harmful additives. Using these under-eye patches is simple and convenient. Just clean your face, apply the patches under your eyes, and relax for 20 minutes. This easy application makes it a perfect addition to your skincare routine, whether you're preparing for a big event or just need a quick pick-me-up after a long night. In conclusion, the NAZANO 24K Gold Under Eye Patches are an effective solution for anyone looking to brighten their eyes and reduce puffiness. They are easy to use, safe for all skin types, and packed with powerful ingredients. If you're ready to reveal a younger-looking you, these patches are definitely worth trying. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews. Don't forget to check out the NAZANO Under Eye Patches through the link in the description below. Your journey to brighter, refreshed eyes starts now. See you in the next video.